All right, here we are. We're at the parents' place. We're back. It's the next day. And you know what? I have yet to see the finish. I mean, I obviously saw them last night, but now that they're dry, I'm really stoked to kind of see what they, how they look. Hopefully they're still on the rack. Yeah, it's good. It's a good start. It's a good start. Oh, damn, bro. Woo! Hell yeah, man. I'm stoked to get these on the car. That's today's plan. Oh, we also got our nose piece. Came out super, super wet, man. Yes. Yes. I'm ready to see these things on the car. So we're gonna start off with the nose piece because we're just rocking. Oh, just hang on a second. Hang on a second. Look at that. Look at that. Hang on. Oh yeah. Ooh. Check this out. Dude, look at how good I got the fitment. I mean, I'm pretty stoked on this fitment right there. It took me a good half hour probably to get this. This side was actually lower, so I had to space it up from underneath to bring it flush with the hood. And honestly, guys, like it is so satisfying. So now that it's all painted, I think it looks real good. I got used to the black, but now that it's red, it's a whole nother ball game. So, I mean, look at these. Woo, Lord. So this is a factory, it's like a factory cherry pearl is the color AH3, if you guys are wondering. This is just really good. Oh, I need a thumbnail, bro. Before I stick them on, I need a thumbnail. We'll be back.
Let's take a thumbnail.
I want thumbnail acquired.
Thumbnail was acquired.
Let's just open this.
What an awkward. There we go, okay.
Okay.
Look at that interior, that's a nice interior, bud.
It's a little dirty.
That's not that bad.
Should probably clean all this up too. Get all the, because I mean we're not going to be under here for pretty much. I'm wondering if I put that tape there, it's going to pump it out.
Well, it is kind of a groove there, isn't it?
There is a groove, but there's also in the actual skirt, it has a groove.
Okay.
It has a notch to go in there.
VHB.
My whole Type X kit on the 240 is being held in by this, like completely held in by VHB tape. Completely. Maybe like 1 or 2 bolts holding. Nope, just tape. Do you want to just hold that? Just right there, and I'll try and get the...
Oh, there goes your...
my seat. By the way, I think I've told you.
You need some more elk?
No, yeah, we're going to alcohol the inside of the skirt.
Oh,
because they're all dusty.
huge move, yeah.
Yeah, you want to make sure it's all...
clean surfaces.
Super clean. I guess we're just gonna slap it on there, Ryan.
We're just going for it?
We're just gonna go for it. Yep. We're just going.
Hey man, in life there's obstacles.
You know what, you just can't panic. Hold on.
Just don't panic.
No, the hard part is peeling back this backing.
Is it really? That's the hard part?
This is the hard part.
Okay.
I say we give it a shot.
Well, I mean, you gotta peel off the back.
You have to peel the back off.
Don't forget about that. He said he was gonna line the back, but he's going to the front.
Well,
you just gotta play it as it goes.
I've committed. I guess that's it right there, man. That's kind of it right
Ooh-wee. Look at that. Let's get a farther away look.
They do make door filler pieces, which maybe I'll get, because then it kind of evens out the side.
Yeah, it blends in real well right now.
Much better.
Yes.
I feel like the car needs 18s now.
You think so?
I think I might need 18.
It's not too bad.
It looks really nice here.
Yeah, let's get up here.
I'm gonna get the wheels straight now. Hang on.
Wow, that matches up really nice.
Yeah, see, that's what I was going for.
Yeah.
Matching the lines up a little bit.
Oh yeah.
It looks killer.
Oh yeah.
And now look how weak it looks over here. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, nice and clean factory, whatever, but I mean, you can't beat the aggressiveness now that we got.
Oh yeah, because that just kind of tucks in.
This now has the flare out. Now I like almost need like a rear spat. Yeah. Yeah, they do make it, so that's on the list.
Does it like come down?
Yeah, it's kind of like the 240s piece where it's like It's like a polyurethane piece that kind of goes on here and just adds like a little fin. So, but yeah, man.
Same company for the rear?
I don't know.
Okay.
No, this is still in. These are gonna be Twin Z design, just like our nose piece. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. Let's get this dialed in and we'll move on to the next side.
Okay, what you doing?
I'm just drilling some holes. You know, we're gonna get some mounting screws underneath here. It's kind of nice because it has like a bottom out point. So you basically just get it out to your pinch weld and go ahead and mount it up. So. And that's all rigid and sturdy.
That is rigid.
So there's one down.
I don't know if we mentioned it on camera, but pulling this bottom a little bit in more, it kept it from rubbing. It was rubbing on the door just a little bit. Just kind of pushing that down and in. Oh yeah, you can hear it. Right in the middle here.
All right, guys, so just a quick heads up. Ryan just actually dipped out. We checked the inside out. I was having issues holding the this inner lip down. So what I did is I put 2 rivets, one here, one here. We are gonna go ahead and paint them. That way you will never see them. And plus, when the door's closed, you don't see them anyways. You see that? So you don't see those. And then I actually had to bring out my my blending wheel and the grinder and actually just cut away some of the rock guard protection that the Z's have from factory to kind of get a little bit of extra clearance. So with that, I mean, the clearance is pretty insane everywhere.
My chain, don't you like my chain, man? Life of a dawn, chain just claws. My chain, don't you like my chain, man? I'm coming in the club with that fresh shit on.
All right, well, I just filmed the whole clip, and luckily GoPro 7s absolutely suck. So it just froze and I didn't get any of that clip recorded. So basically what I was telling you guys is I did not use any tape on this side skirt. None. Actually, I lied. I did so on the front. I actually just put a rivet on the inside here. You guys probably can't even notice all the rivets. I painted them. I gotta clean all this stuff up. But there's a rivet on the inside right here. Hopefully you guys can see it, holding the inside corner in. And I just went ahead and got a rivet on the back side so it holds it super flush to the body of the car, because the actual tape kind of bumps out your panel a little bit. So I'm probably gonna go ahead and do the same to the other side, because as you guys can see, we're back to the head cam, by the way, obviously, if you can tell. See that little gap right here? We're not too big of a fan on that gap there, so probably end up ripping this off. The paint though, I mean, it's the color match is kind of off, which is kind of annoying. It's like a brighter red. The nose piece looks normal and fine and like color matched. Kind of a waste of tape, I know, but you know, we wanna make sure it looks good. I gotta make sure it all lines up pretty good. So shout out to Stillin for making some pretty nice pieces to start out with. If you guys are wondering real quick, I'm actually running the Teen Street Flex Z's. As far as coilovers, man, love these things, bro. Love them. So damn good. So good. So comfortable, man. For a street coilover, love it. Damn diffuser's catching mad rocks. There we go, man. Much better. All right, moment of truth. Let's get this thing on the ground. Ah, she's gonna look so good. All right, guys, well, what do you think, man? What do you guys think? The color match is not exactly matchy-matchy, huh? It does look fire, though. So next up for exterior mods, guys, since you guys are probably, well, I mean, since we're on the topic, I do want to get some dope cinematic shots of this new look really quick for you guys for this video, so stay tuned for that. Maybe I've already shown it, who knows? I want to get a front lip, and then now that we have our skirts, I'm going to get like some running boards. I don't know what you want to call them, but they're just kind of valances that go underneath the skirt, just to kind of like a little narrow piece. Now the rear needs some extensions, because as you guys can see now, I mean the diffuser is definitely helping like the rear look, but we definitely need to get something to pump out the sides now. Well, now obviously long-term goal, I'm sure some of you guys already know this, but we're going to be going wide body, full Twin Z design kit. My favorite by far. It just looks super clean. It almost looks factory. It's kind of like a molded look. It's super dope. So if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, check it out. But as of right now, this thing is looking super dope. I would love to scoop up some new wheels for it, man. So if any of you guys want to buy the Cosmos wheels, the XT005Rs that were on the 240, please let me know. I'm trying to get rid of those so we can open up some funds for either another set of wheels or our trip to Florida. So hell yeah, man, this looks great. All right, guys, well, it's about 9 o'clock at night right now. I'm loving how just these long days, man, they're just fantastic. You can get so much more stuff done, especially when we're outside. Oh, it's great. I'm loving it. One more mod. We have one more mod to install for today's video. This is something I've been needing. I'm just, luckily I haven't got a ticket for it yet. Let me show you guys really quick. Gotta clean out the car still. So if we go back here, as you guys can see, I only have one tag light. And I mean, it's kind of wimpy, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and fix that really quick. I was gonna go and just toss some OEM bulbs from Walmart in there, but you know, we do OEM plus around here. So can I open this one-handed? Hang on. Ow. Okay. Is this it? That's it? Oh God. Well, I hope. All right. I guess this is it.
Perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing?
Yeah, these are bright, man. You can't even see the factory one anymore. It's just this. Damn. All right, well, you literally cannot see a thing now. Check this out. This looks, I love the little details, man. It looks so rad. Ready? Ready for this? Super bright, man. Like, I don't know how well it shows up on camera, but dude, like, it lights up this whole area. I don't know. So this may be too bright for some of you guys, but I don't know. Especially we got that hot boy plate. You know what I'm saying? Hell yeah, man. I'm loving this. Loving this. Little details, man. Hell yeah.